yoga karmashu kaushalam. Every act that you perform should become a yoga. Recently, a book has been published. The title of the book is What They Don't Teach You at Harvard. Published by Harvard. And What They Don't Teach You at Harvard. In which, I'll give you the gist of it. They said for the complete development of the human being and his atmosphere, surroundings, a human should develop 3 H. Pratham H hai hand. When only the hand works, it is labor. जब सिर्फ हाथ काम करता है, मजदूरी है. The second H is the head. When the hand and the head, they work together, it becomes skill. When the hand, head and the heart work together, it becomes art. They say in this book that every act that you perform should become an art. वही ये ट्रांसलेशन हुआ, every act that you perform should become a योग. जो योग शब्द हमने यूज किया है, वो शब्द आर्ट हार्वर्ड ने यूज किया है. They say that every act of yours should have the full backing of the hand, head and the heart. All 3. Then you make it an art. भगवान श्री कृष्ण ने गीता में यह कहा, योगा कर्मशु कौशलम. Every act should become a yoga, that it should be good to you, your surroundings, to your working colleagues, back home, and graced by God. Same thing. I give you a couple of examples. ऐसे तो हजारों बातें हैं जो सालों पहले, युगों पहले हमारे महान ऋषि मुनियों ने जो बात की है, वे बातें आज कोई और पैकिंग में, कोई और स्वरूप में, कोई और रंग ढंग से पश्चिम के महान विचारक या महान लेखक या टीचर्स बता रहे हैं. Again I say, all credit to them. Without the support or perhaps the reading of this material, they have done a research. So we give all credit to them. But at the end of the day, at the end of their research, the outcome, the fruit was what we have since ages. इतनी ये सब बात आज भी रेलेवेंट है. तो योग कर्मशु कौशलम. Every act that you perform should become a yoga. जब आप पढ़ाई करते थे, तब मकसद था कि मैं इतनी अच्छी पढ़ाई करूं कि आई शुड बी एक्स्ट्राऑर्डिनरीली आउटस्टैंडिंग. डिस्टिंक्शन आए तो ठीक है, पिक्चर देखने चले जाते थे. 100 में से 90 आए तो कूद पड़ते थे. When you want to make it a yoga, at academics, you should be excellent. How many of you are under the age of 35? Just raise your hands. बहुत बड़ी संख्या है. Lupin is an old company of young employees. He said Lupin is a young company. I said it's an old company of young employees. Like I saw, 60%, more than 65% of you are like under the age of 35. When Bill Clinton as President of the United States came to India, that was in 2000, he visited the high-tech city in Hyderabad. He was addressing a group of professionals, especially the IT professionals. And he said that India has 540 million youth, that is in the age group of 15 to 35. He said, forget 8 hours, forget 6 hours. Even if this 540 million youth of India, if they sincerely, honestly, and putting their heart into their work, if they work for 4 hours a day, nobody can stop India from becoming a superpower by 2020. India can become a superpower. You are under the age of 35. How many of you still feel to go for further academics while working here? How many of you feel that still you should go for further certain courses, certain academics while still working here? Just raise your hands. There are quite many of you. I must congratulate you. First, yoga karmashu kaushalam comes when you are in the academics field, when you are in the academic level. आपकी पढ़ाई ऐसी होनी चाहिए कि 10 companies like Lupin should come to you, should come to your doorstep. Still you can make it. You are under 35. I have seen in United States, I have seen many countries of Europe, that professionals till the age of 35, 38, they still attend evening schools. They go for crash courses. And they have wonderful degrees behind their name. That helps. मेरे एक मित्र हैं, पुणे में है. He is the only person in India who is a gold medalist as a CA, CS and MBA. He is the only person in India as a gold medalist in CA, CS and MBA. When we first met in 2008, I asked him, we got connected to each other on the dais. We were in a program. He was supposed to speak. I was supposed to speak. So the host introduced us to each other. And we had a good sharing. Thereafter we became good friends. Frequency कुछ मैच हो गई. फिर मित्रता हुई. मैंने उनके पूछा ऐसे ही कि आपकी बात अगर मुझे स्टूडेंट्स या किसी को करनी है, give me a profile. And he gave everything. 2008 में उनकी सैलरी थी 8 crore rupees per annum. At that time his age was 29. अभी थोड़े दिन पहले उनका जन्मदिन था. I just wished him on phone. And I just asked him, where have you reached now? And he said, Swami, it is 16 crores per annum. I'm in the awake state, huh? 16 crore rupees per annum. That is almost like 5 lakh rupees per day. Almost like 5 lakh rupees per day is his salary. He is entitled to a private jet. He is entitled to a private chopper. And he is the head of a giant multinational Southeast Asia. I asked him, what inspired you to go for this level of academics? Why weren't you satisfied after becoming a CA? He told me this, that Lord Krishna has said in the Srimad Bhagavad Gita, Yoga Karmashu Kaushalam. One of the meaning of this is, a Sanskrit verse would always contain more than one meanings. उन्होंने मुझे यह बताया कि इसका अर्थ यह भी है कि जो भी योग अपने जीवन में आपने शुरू किया है वो अपने जीवन के अंतिम सांस तक चालू रखना है. तो मैंने ये एकेडमिक्स चालू किया. स्टिल ही इज अटेंडिंग इवनिंग स्कूल्स. मैंने बोला यार किसी के लिए कुछ छोड़ दे. फिर मैंने उसको पूछा कि दैट मीन्स यू आर द टॉप इन द लेडर. सो के नो स्वामी, आई एम 7th. I said, who is at the top? Okay, my boss sits in Dubai. He is a group CEO. I said, what is he earning? He said 180 crores per annum. That is 50 lakh rupees per day. अंदर आ रही है बात, चली जा रही है. ठंडा पवन आ रहा है, तेज गर्मी है. Are you believing in this or not? Do you believe in these figures? अभी भी स्टन्ड है. हाफ ऑफ देम आर स्टन्ड. ये सैलरी. आप नेट एक्सेस तो है ना. आप ऑरेकल कंपनी को जानते हो नाम से. ऑरेकल कंपनी की वेबसाइट खोलना, उनके जो एग्जीक्यूटिव चेयरमैन है लैरी एलिसन, उनकी प्रोफाइल देखना. लैरी एलिसन की प्रोफाइल देखना. ही इज द हाईएस्ट पेड कर्मचारी ऑफ द वर्ल्ड. नंबर 1, दैट इज हाईएस्ट पेड एम्प्लॉय ऑफ द वर्ल्ड. His salary since 2006-2007 today average comes to like about $250 million a year. अपने हिसाब से हुआ 1500 करोड़. उनकी तनख्वाह है 1500 करोड़ एक साल की। ये 10 साल की मैं एवरेज बोल रहा हूं, क्योंकि ये तनख्वाहें सब रेंज बड़ी होती है, क्योंकि उसमें पर्क्स एंड बोनसेस एंड कमीशंस और वो सब इंक्लूड होते हैं। 1500 करोड़ रुपीस पर एनम। व्हाट इज द वैल्यूएशन ऑफ लुपिन? सेल्स इज 14,000 करोड़। 10 महीने की तनख्वाह हुई, वो लुपिन को खरीद सकता है। उसकी 10 साल की तनख्वाह से लुपिन को खरीद सकता है। योगा कर्मशु कौशलम, द फर्स्ट एस्पेक्ट इज वट एवर यू डू इट एज एन आर्ट, डू इट एज अ योग, एंड डू इट excellently, perfectly, and exclusively. Don't be a routine, the first primary meaning of yoga karmashu kaushalam. Don't be a routine, don't be a primary, do it exclusively, do it effectively, and do it extraordinarily. That is what Lord Krishna has told, teached, preached in Srimad Bhagavad Gita. If you can do it, it is extraordinary performance.